and welcome to the Vinegar Baking Soda Volcano. This is going to be another outdoor adult supervision experiment as we create another exothermic explosion of foam. I'm going to tell you what we need, how to do it, then I'm going to do it so that you can see exactly what's going to happen, and then I'm going to give you some tips on how you can tweak it and you can try it yourself whenever you'd like. So what you're going to need for this experiment is dish soap, something that can measure out a cup. I'm going to use a half cup measuring tool and then just do 2 of those. You're going to need water, vinegar, baking soda, food coloring if you want to make it a cool little color. Some people may want to do red and yellow to make orange lava. You're going to want a 2-liter bottle that you're going to do the experiment in. That's just your average big soda bottle. You're going to want a mixing or measuring cup to create your second part in. And you're going to want a tin or tub for cleanup and safety goggles. So how we're going to make it is we're going to combine a cup of water, a cup of vinegar, and a few drops of dish soap into the empty soda bottle. Then what we're going to do is add food coloring if you have any, and then create a baking soda slurry in your mixing cup. What that's going to be is 2/3 a cup of baking soda and 1/3 a cup of water. Then when you're ready, you're going to move outside with your adult, place your bottle in your tin, put your safety goggles on, then keep your head back from the opening as this one's a little bit quicker than the elephant toothpaste reaction, and just quickly pour your slurry in and watch your explosion. I'm going to start now, so I'm going to put my goggles on. Safety first, right? What we're going to mix first into our bottle is 1 cup of vinegar. So I got my vinegar here. I have a half a cup measuring instrument, still some water in there. And we're going to pour that into the soda bottle. Oh. Some spillage, but that's part of the reason that we have the tin. For me, I just have a bin lid. And then second half a cup. There we go. And then we're going to measure out 1 cup of water. And we're going to mix that in there as well. Got my water right here, put that in there. And then second half. And there we go. Now you're going to add just a few drops of dish soap. There we go. And this is our soda bottle. I'm just going to mix it up a little bit, gently. And you can add food coloring now if you want to. I'm going to leave mine white because I want to see what that looks like. And now we're going to create our baking soda slurry. What that's going to be is 1/3 a cup of water. So let me get my water. All right, I'm measuring in here. Got our 1/3 mark. We're just going to pour it in there. There's our 1/3 mark. And now we're going to do 2/3 a cup of baking soda. So you're going to just fill it up until you reach the 1 cup mark now. All right, there we go. And then we mix it up. I'm going to use a spoon. Just mix up our slurry really nice. So it's a nice consistency. And then you're ready for the actual experiment. What you're going to do now is you're going to take your bottle, you're going to move outside if you haven't yet with your adult supervision. You're going to go to your tin, place your bottle in, take your slurry, and you're going to stand back. This one happens a little bit faster than the elephant toothpaste. And you're just going to get your bottle ready and then quickly pour it in because explosion will start to happen fairly fast. There we go. Now we had our fast explosion and then it slowly comes out. So what's happening here is the foam is quickly expanding because the baking soda and the vinegar is reacting together to create carbon dioxide, which is then trapped in the soapy bubbles and then creates this sort of foamy consistency. So obviously if you do it a little faster than I did, you'll probably get a better reaction, but that is the baking soda vinegar volcano. You can change the amounts of vinegar, water, and baking soda to see what that does to the reaction. Tweak a few things around, see what it does. Once again, the goal of this, while it is to get your explosion, it's also to have fun and experiment and see what exactly does what. So it doesn't really matter if you miss out on one of the items and your explosion is very small, or if you add too much of one and it's much bigger. This is your experiment, you're having fun. It's your turn to try. Have fun.